Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the DEEBYCOO LCD Writing Tablet. First up, let's talk about its portability. The DEEBYCOO LCD Writing Tablet is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 107 grams. It's as thin as a notebook and super easy to carry around, making it a perfect companion for both kids and adults on the go. What sets this tablet apart is its full-screen writing experience. With a 9.5-inch LCD display, you have ample space to jot down notes, draw, or leave messages. The writing lines can be as fine as 0.5 millimeters, giving you the flexibility to create detailed drawings or write with precision. Worried about accidental marks from hand movements? No need to fret. This tablet features an anti-touch design, ensuring that your writing stays clean and smudge-free, even when you're on the move. Now, let's talk about the environment. The DEEBYCOO LCD Writing Tablet is an eco-friendly choice. You can use it repeatedly for up to 100,000 times, reducing paper wastage. Plus, it's inkless and dust-free, making it a cleaner option for note-taking. We care about your eyes too. This tablet features an eye protection screen with no blue light or glare. It's designed to provide a comfortable writing experience while protecting your eyes from potential damage during long-term use. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this tablet has something for everyone. Kids can use it for drawing, drafting, and playing games. Adults can use it for note-taking, leaving messages, and more. It's a versatile tool for home, office, or school. In conclusion, the DEEBYCOO LCD Writing Tablet is a fantastic addition to your digital arsenal. It's portable, versatile, and environmentally friendly. Say goodbye to traditional paper and hello to the future of note-taking and doodling. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.